Good morning, kids. It's time for some reading practice, and earlier this week I told you that we would try to read a non-fiction book with bugs, and I've got one for you. Remember, non-fiction means not fake, which means it's real. Check it out. Do you see real people in this book? Do you see real animals? Yeah. When a book has photographs, a lot of times that means it might be real or it might have information. So I'm going to need your help reading this one because it has some sight words in it and some words that you can help sound out. The title of this book is Tap, Tap, Tap. Why is it called Tap, Tap, Tap? Because that's what this bird is doing. Do you know the name of this type of bird? Wow. It's a woodpecker. And they tap, 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 tap on wood. Why do they do that? Let me see if I can remember. Okay, I just looked it up and I found out that they do this tapping for 3 reasons. One is to search for food in there, like little insects. Another reason is to create a nest area. And the last reason, reason number 3, is they do this thing called drumming, which means doing it really fast and really loud, to establish their territory, which means they're telling everybody, this is my spot. Okay, I'm here, I'm in charge, this is my spot. All right, let's read this book. I taught you this word yesterday, am at the, what's this a picture of right here? Lake. One more time. I am at the lake. Did you see how the finger moved from left to right and then I stopped at the period? Ready? I can see the ant. Wow. Imagine looking at an ant that close. Ants are so strong. All right, ready for the next page? I can see, remember this word? A bee. All right, ready? I like to see the bug. What type of bug is that? Ladybug. Hey, what's that boy holding to look at things? Binoculars. Remember this word? We see it. Tap, tap, tap. Look at all the little pieces of wood flying. And that's the end of the story. This page shows a child's drawing of a bug and a sentence to go with it. It says, the bug is on the leaf. Wow, I know that you guys can read and write about bugs. I'm discovering that you guys really like nonfiction and reading about facts and real life things, so I am going to teach you a tool that you can use to watch some really cool educational bug cartoons. You guys are going to go on my Get Epic account and see these. I'll show you how. I want you to know that this website is safe and appropriate for kids, but remember we talked about internet safety and computer safety? Anytime you go on a new website for the first time, I just want you to have your parents' guidance. So go get them and watch this video. All right, kiddos, you may have heard of this website before. It's called getepic.com. Sign in. Now, you might have access to our librarian, Mrs. Christian's Get Epic, but I don't believe she has her videos available, like the cartoons. I think it's just the books. So if you want to be able to watch the cartoons, you have to use Miss Bongiorno's code. So the first thing we need to click on is students and educators. See these monsters right here? So click on that button because you are a student. Student login, I'm going to give you guys my code, okay? So that you can sign in as a guest in my class. The code is, hang on, let me make sure I have it. Aha. The letter A, N, U, then the numbers 6627. ANU 6627, and then we click go. Look, it says welcome Miss Bongiorno's class. Click the guest button. Wow. Now up at the top bar, for today, I want you to look at these things. Bugs. There's going to be so many books that come up and so many options. Some of these books are nonfiction, some of them are fiction, which means they're fake. Like ants don't wear pants, that's fake. Or I see butterflies, that's real. But if you want to watch the funny cartoons, see these options here, all books, videos, read to me, audiobooks. You need to click on videos. There they are. See these funny cartoons? And you get to pick which bug you want to learn about. I think let's watch, for example, let's watch the I'm a Praying Mantis video. We'll just watch part of it. I'm a creepy crawly.
Oh, you over here, chérie. I do not leave the same girl as me is good for catching dinner. But all this camouflage won't help Prince Charming to find me. Oh, where are my manners? I have not yet introduced myself. I am a praying mantis. They call me that because I always look like I'm saying my prayers. But really, that's just the way my front legs are made.
Okay, so I'm not going to show the whole video, but they're short. They're only like 2 minutes usually, but look how many different types of bugs there are down here, you guys. And the characters are so funny, but they teach us real facts. So I want you to give this a try. Wasn't that exciting? Remember, if you want to access the cartoons, you'll need to use Miss Bongiorno's Get Epic code, not Mrs. Christian's. Now, before you go learning about new bugs, there is a few things I want you to try. If you were able to collect the supplies this week, you can practice reading this book in a mini version. And in your orange binder, when I refilled the pages, today your job is to trace some letters. Roll a dice, whatever it lands on, trace one of those letters, or all of them that are in that row. And this is good practice, good handwriting practice. It goes A, B, C, D, E, F. Then you've got another page that I think is really cool. We get to match the letters to the picture that has this sound. Okay, so P for popcorn. Keep matching them. And then your other job is to color by code. Anytime you see the word I, it's red. Anytime you see the word can, it's blue. Kind of like this. At the end, when you color it all, it'll look really cool down here. Okay, kids, good luck and have fun learning.